What do you think, dogs? You look hilarious, Thor. You do, you look hilarious. Yeah? What about you, Monkey? You like the snow? I was too excited to go and put pants on, but this was downstairs. So, and this is just a few minutes ago where I touched the table, and now it's nearly all gone. And I bet that there's all snow in my hair as well. Look at it all going on the ground. Oh my God. I don't think I've ever been in snow this hard before. Mahi, come here and see. Let me see you. Mahi, lickali. Come, lickali. Oh, you know that word. Hey. Oh, you gonna shake it off? Shake it off, shake it off. Hey, Thor. Check it out. Wow, they're so big. These snow granules. It's amazing. It's amazing. It's amazing. I can't believe how clearly you can see it. I hope you can see it as well as I can. I think it's on my nose. Far out. So cool.